Hello dear kids, Namaskar. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yesterday we have discussed the short question answers. I hope you all have completed your homework. You have written the short question answers in your notebook. Good. Also we have completed the exercise section first. Yes, you have written in your test book. Very good. I hope that you have understood this chapter, but then also if you have any doubt, we will clear that doubt in the live class. Right? Live class में आपको जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन मुझे करने हैं, you can ask me at the time. Okay? और वैसे भी आप मुझे कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं for your doubt. Okay? Don't hesitate. If you have any doubt, you can share with me. So dear kids, today in this video, we are going to discuss long answer question. Yes, skill builder and application based question. Okay, what we are going to learn today? What we are going to learn today? Long question answers, skill builder and application based question. So let's start with the long answer question. Number first, why is a span not used to measure length? See dear kids, you all know that जो span है, right? Foot span, cubit, hand span, these all are the span. These all are the earlier used of measurement, right? पहले के ज़माने में people ये सारे things use करते थे for measuring the things. But now सबके span तो different होते हैं. Yes, and then it leads to confusion. Confuse हो जाते हैं हम लोग, right? So that's why अभी span use नहीं होते हैं and अभी एक standard unit आ गए हैं for measuring the things. Yes or no? And that we are using now. We don't use span. So the question is, why is a span not used to measure length? So how you will write this answer? Let me show you how we are going to write this answer in our notebook. So answer first, because different people had different span. Yes or no? सबके अलग अलग स्पान होते हैं and this led to confusion. अब इससे सब क्या हो जाते थे? We all get to confusion. What were 5 spans for one, were 6 for another. है ना? मेरे 5 स्पैन होते हैं बट आपके या फिर किसी और के 6 स्पैन होते थे. सो दिस लीड्स टू कंफ्यूजन. सो दैट्स व्हाई नाउ स्पैन इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग द लेंथ. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन अवर नोटबुक? बिकॉज डिफरेंट पीपल हैड डिफरेंट स्पैन. This leads to confusion. What were 5 spans for one, were 6 for another. Okay? First one understood? So now let's move to second one. How is the mass of an object measured? हम mass को कैसे measured करते हैं? How are the units of mass related to each other? And वो कैसे एक दूसरे से related है वो भी हमें बताना होगा. Right? The first question is, how is the mass of an object measured? वो कैसे measured होता है? And then how are the units are related to each other? Question समझ में आ गया आपको? सो हम मास कैसे मेजर्ड करते हैं? By using weighing balance? Yes? So how we are going to write in the notebook? Mass is measured using weighing balance और weighing scale, right? जो हमने आप पिक्चर में भी देखे हैं. Mass is measured using weighing balance or weighing scale. And how they are related to each other? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. This way we are going to write in our notebook. Okay. Third one, what are the different units of length? अब ये क्वेश्चन में हमें different units of length बतानी है. For measuring length there are some different units. Yes. अब वो कौन सी है वो हमें बतानी होगी. कौन सी है वो? So the different units of length are meter, millimeter, yes or no, centimeter. Then for measuring the distance of two villages, kilometer. So these are the different units for measuring the length. So how we are going to write this answer? Different units of length are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This way we are going to write in our notebook. Understood? Good. Number 4, define temperature. Means हमें पहले definition देनी होगी temperature की. Then what are the different units of temperature? फिर दूसरे कौन सी units है temperature को measure करने के लिए, कौन सी units है वो भी हमें बताना है. Okay, first we will give the definition of temperature. And then we will write the different units which are used to measure temperature. What is the definition of temperature? The measure of how hot or cold an object is called temperature. Right? एक ऐसी चीज़ जिसका हमें पता करना हो कि ये चीज़ ठंडी है या गर्म है, राइट, उसको हम किससे मेज़र करेंगे? बाय द टेम्परेचर. द मेज़र ऑफ हाउ हॉट और कोल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड टेम्परेचर. देन टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स. कौन से यूनिट्स में मेजर होते हैं? डिग्री सेल्सियस और डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, राइट. एंड उसके सिंबल्स भी आपको लिखने हैं तो आप लिख सकते हैं, राइट. अगर आपको स्पेलिंग्स नहीं लिखनी है सो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट द सिंबल्स. सो टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स कॉल्ड डिग्री सेल्सियस or degree Fahrenheit. Completed? Do you understand the long question answer? Okay, good. So here we have completed the discussion